Hello, what's up guys? In today's video, I'll be going to show you how to fix XAPK file validation failed in PUBG Mobile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I heard many of you are facing this problem when installing after weeks or months. Also the new update is here but the problem is still unfixed. Actually the problem is not in the game, but you made it a problem yourself. I've never got a problem like that, but I got a fix for you guys. So quickly I'm gonna tell you the fix. I'm just using the shortcut method. You have to go to your settings, then install the apps, and then search for PUBG Mobile, and then you gotta click on PUBG Mobile, and then you gotta click on app permissions, the main one, and then you'll get two options, microphone and storage. I'm just gonna go the shortcut method. Now, as you can see, I have two options. So what creates the problem is just this storage option. When you first install the game, just in excitement, maybe you have disabled it this option which doesn't allow the game to be stored in your mobile, so you just gotta enable it. I've already enabled it, that's why I never got a problem like that. Now you can play your game PUBG Mobile without any problem. If you're still having any problem related to this game, any problem, you can simply comment down below so I could quickly give you a fix for it. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.